right, with that, let's get you more breaking updates coming in. A Muslim cleric is seen flaunting and saying that he voted for the BJP. And the BJP has cited the cleric to attack the opposition, asking the secular parties to watch this appeal. In fact, the BJP's Amit Malviya has said that this is not an isolated instance, that there have been previous instances as well where Muslims have voted for the BJP and have slammed the opposition parties that claim that Muslims will only vote for secular parties, and that's a claim that the opposition has been making time and again. The BJP is saying that this is absolutely false and this is not an isolated incident, and the secular parties should be worried if Muslims also start supporting the BJP in a big way, says the BJP. Amit Malviya has taken to social media X, and here's what he says. Sajid Rashidi of the All India Imam Association says he voted for the BJP in the Delhi Assembly election. This is not an isolated instance, and the so-called secular parties should be worried if Muslims also start supporting the BJP in a big way. So the BJP is saying that support has come in from several Muslims and saying that it's not an isolated instance. Several Muslims have supported the BJP in the Delhi elections. The BJP says that this has happened previously as well. It is only the opposition parties that refuses to see the reality on ground, saying that people of all communities are supporting the BJP, and yet the opposition leaders continue to claim otherwise.
दोस्तों, मैंने वोट कर दिया है। दिल्ली में किसकी सरकार बने इसके लिए, और मैंने ये वोट किसको किया है आपको सुनकर बड़ा आश्चर्य होगा। मैंने ये वोट भारतीय जनता पार्टी को किया है। जिंदगी में पहली बार मैंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोट किया है। क्यों किया है, इसके पीछे बहुत सारे रीजन हैं। अब तक मुसलमानों पर एक एलिगेशन ये लगता रहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराने के लिए मुसलमान वोट करता है, लेकिन ये मैंने वोट इसलिए किया आज बीजेपी को कि दिल्ली के अंदर बीजेपी जीते। और भी इसके पीछे रीजन है, आप मुझसे कमेंट कर सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया।
And well, with that, we're slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back to stay with us.